can't find marketplace icon on your Facebook app? Don't worry, I will show you how to get it back in just a few steps. First, open your Facebook app. Now tap on the menu icon in the top or bottom corner. Scroll down and look for marketplace. If you see it, just tap and use it. If you don't see it, tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on tab bar. Select customize the bar and look for marketplace in the available tabs. Find marketplace and set it to auto or pin. Go back to home screen and now you should see the marketplace icon. If it's still missing, update your app from Google Play Store or App Store. Also, marketplace may not be available in some regions or for new accounts. Like, share and subscribe for many more easy tech tips.